The number of students in 20 schools in a certain county were recorded as follows. So you can see the numbers are there. Part A, complete the frequency distribution table below for the data, 1 mark. Then part B, find the median of the above data, 3 marks. So we go to part A, complete the frequency distribution table for the data. So the number of students in 20 schools are given there. So you have them grouped into classes. So from 200 to 299, we get the number of schools. We can begin with that. So any value that is from 200 to 99, we count that. So 200 to 299, 200 to 99, I'm identifying them. So 200 to 99, 200 to 99, those are the ones I've identified. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 schools. Then from 300 to 399, any value that is between 300 to 399, we mark that. 300 to 399, so we have that one. So 300 to 399, all these are marking and falling in that group. I think those are enough. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me see. 300 to 399. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7. Then from 400 to 499, 400 to 499. Have 1 there. 400 to 499. There are only 3. 1, 2, 3. Those ones are only 3. Then the last one, 500 to 599. 500 to 599. You have 1. We have 2. We have 3. We have 4. We have 5. There are 5. So we've completed that. So after completing the frequency distribution table, we need to find the median of the above data. This one is a group data, so we need to understand how we find the median of a group data, and this is the formula that we use. So median of the group data is given by L plus N divided by 2, subtract CF divided by F, then everything multiplied by I. Where L is the lower class boundary of the median class, then N is the total frequency, and in this case, the total frequency refers to when you add all the schools, the total number of schools, which is 20. Then we have CF, this will be the cumulative frequency above the median class, and F is the frequency of the median class, then I is the class size. So this is now what you're going to do. We need to get the cumulative frequency, and I will just write it down here. The cumulative frequency. So CF, we have the first one will be 5. Then the next one will be 5 plus 7 will be 12. Then 12 plus 3 we get 15. 15 plus 5 you get 20. So let me circle them. So these are the cumulative frequency. These are the cumulative frequency for the first class. For the second class is there. For the third class, the last class is there. The cumulative frequency. So now let's get the median. So median is equals to, we need to identify, before we go to that, we need to identify the median class. And this is how we're going to do it. The median class, we get it by getting N divided by 2. N is the total frequency. This will give us the position of the median class, and we'll get it at the 10th position. So the 10th position, where do we have, where does it lie in the cumulative frequency? Where do we have 10? We have 10 in this class, 300 to 399. That is where we have the 10th position, the 10th school in this matter. So the first class we have 5, then the second is 12. So this is where we have the median class. 10 is here. So 300 to 399. So 300 to 399 is the median class. So median is given by L, which is the lower class boundary of the median class. The median class is here, 300 to 399. The lower class boundary, this is how we get it. We take 300 is there on the lower side. So subtract 0.5. 300 subtract 0.5, you will get 299.5. So 299.5 is the lower class boundary. Then plus n divided by 2, n is 20, divided by 2, subtract the cumulative frequency, CF, the cumulative frequency above the median class. So the median class is here, the cumulative frequency of the median class is here, the cumulative frequency above that class is 5. Then everything divided by the frequency of the median, F, the frequency of the median class, the frequency is here, the median class, that is 7. Then everything multiplied by I is the class size, How do you get the class size? We use the median class. So this will be, we take the upper class boundary, which is 399.5, subtract the lower class boundary, which is 299.5, and this will give 100. So that is 100. That. So from there, this will give 299.5 plus, this will be 10 subtract 5, this will be 5 per 7 times 100, like that. Use a calculator to work out these. So this will give 299.5 plus, so we have 5, this will give 71.43, 5 over 7 times 100. Then when you add 299.5, you get 370.93. That is the median of the above data.